Potiphar's wife, or Pharaoh's wife. He refused to eat from the pots of the state. Ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to the voice of Aminu Waziri Tambuwal.
ABC! Arise and shine!
ABC!
Well, distinguished delegates, my countrymen, we are in very interesting times in Nigeria today, where pseudo-democrats found their way to power. And they are today manifestly exposing themselves. My appeal is not to the members of ADC for now, but to those who are living and heading our institutions, particularly, and of very, very concerned to me, the judiciary. Let me remind those of you who are living today of Justice Iroele that was used to truncate June 12th. Let no judge or let no judge or justice allow himself or lend himself to be used to destroy Nigeria. History is taking note of our roles as individuals. Our children and grandchildren are looking up to us to save this country. And those of you that are in privileged positions should be accountable and bear in mind that wherever you are writing your judgments or rulings, even if there is no any individual by your side, God Almighty is watching over you. And God Almighty will be the ultimate judge on the day of judgment. So be wary of those individuals or people that will be talking to you to influence you to undermine our judicial system and undermine our country and undermine democracy. The next set of people I will appeal to are the people seated here. When we started, it's not possible, they cannot come together. Today in this hall, Vice President Atiku Abubakar is seated. Today in this hall, Peter Obi is seated. Today in this hall, Kwankwaso is seated, and Governor Anechi is also seated, and many other leaders. It is about unity of purpose and vision for this country. It is not about an individual. It is about our vision and collective desire to rescue Nigeria. No sacrifice will be too great. When that time comes, all of you are leaders. We'll speak to you as your children. We'll speak to you as your brothers. We'll speak to you as co-travelers. That it is about this country and not about an individual's ambition. We must all work together towards a common mission of rescuing this country. And the ADC is that platform. We must therefore work towards preserving the unity of this platform and working towards ensuring that we achieve that objective. My studies when I was in the university, where I learned political science and coach as follows. John F. Kennedy said, if you make peaceful change impossible, you are creating room for violent change. Within the last few months, people in authority acting and on behalf of us are making political participation by NDC, by Labour Party, by NNPP, and even the new party NDC impossible. We are very soon going to cross the threshold where we will decide to lead the march Come rain, come sunshine. Change must take place in this country. At that point in time, again, John F. Kennedy said, don't ask what you can do for yourself, ask what you can do for Nigeria. All of us, here and outside, must make the decision that the situation is untenable, it's unsustainable, and we must change it. Let the young men, the young women, those who have their boarding passes in their hands, those who are about to take their boarding passes, take the message loud and clear. NDC must survive peacefully or otherwise.
When God wanted to plant Christianity, who did he take? It was Paul, the greatest persecutor of Christians. That is the person that he chose. So, the new people say, and then I will obey. Whenever you wake up, that is the morning. That is your morning. So let us go into this fight. Let us go into this struggle, not looking at the past, but deciding that from the day we come into office, every person's actions must have consequences. You do well, you are rewarded. You do badly, the whole world must know that you are doing well. So I want to thank you. Let me not take more than 2 minutes. And I want to assure you that we are already en route to the winner. And may God give us the courage thereafter. May God give us the courage thereafter. I repeat it a third time. May God do what is necessary, give us the courage to do what is necessary to salvage this long-suffering nation.
I want to thank all of you who have come from near and far to witness today a new beginning in the life of ADC. ADC is not a new party, but now we are taking the next step. Nobody is going to stop us. Every attempt to stop us will fail. Whether by INEC or any of their collaborators, they will never succeed. I bring you very, very brotherly greetings from the Southeast, and I assure you that the Southeast is completely with ADC. Come to the Southeast, you will know that ADC is the reigning party in the Southeast today. We will continue to support this party and we will make sure that victory will be our own come next year. Thank you. Thank you.